Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with weak Wi-Fi signals in certain areas of your home, setting up a Telstra Wi-Fi booster can make a huge difference. Dead zones, slow speeds, and dropped connections are common issues, especially in larger homes or rooms far from the router. The booster works by extending your existing network, but for many users, the setup process can feel confusing at first, especially when it comes to placement and pairing. The good thing is that once you follow the correct steps, it's actually very quick to get everything connected and working properly. With the right setup, you can enjoy stronger and more reliable Wi Fi coverage throughout your home. Try these. Step 1. Plug in your Telstra Wi Fi booster near your main router. Step 2. Wait for the power light to turn stable. Step 3. Press the WPS button on your router. Step 4. Press the WPS button on the Wi Fi booster to pair them. Step 5. Wait for the connection light to confirm successful pairing. Step 6. Move the booster to a midway location between router and weak signal area.